Hi, I'm Doctor Siegel with Natural Transplants, and I have here Camilla, who's here for her 1 year anniversary, or as we say here, edgiversary. And we thank you so much for sharing your story with us. Tell us about your experience. You look absolutely amazing.
Thank you. Well, it has been a journey. I've been battling not having edges for probably over 10 plus years. And I saw a video on YouTube about a year ago with a former client of yours. And so I started doing research, and it was definitely something that I was interested in. So I came to Miami, and here we are. Here we are.
And you had nothing on the side. We lowered your hairline just a little bit so that we could frame out your face a little bit better. We
Yes.
added some curves there, as we'll show. You were nice enough to also send me some after pictures, which look amazing. And like I just asked you, your friends, your family that knew that you had it done, what did they think about the whole entire procedure?
Everyone is astonished at the results. I've had people say, "Oh, you're wearing a lace front," a lace front, but of course, no, I'm not. They are very very excited for me because my close friends and family know that it's been something that has been a battle for me. I have not been able to wear in the past certain hairstyles because of me not having the edges.
Right.
So for me to be able to even wear my hair back right now, it's amazing. I'm so excited. I really truly am.
And if you had to talk to somebody who's on the fence of getting a hair transplant, what would you recommend to them?
I would recommend to them to go ahead and do it. You are your biggest fear. You have to overcome it. Um, you only live once, and I think that if it's something that has been bothering you, you should go for it. Um, do research on it, of course, and just take that chance. Take that chance. I mean, look at me. I took the chance, and I am so happy. I'm so pleased.
So I'm gonna actually have you put your chin down again, so everybody can see.
Sure. Okay.
Awesome. And now I'm gonna have you look to your left
Okay.
and look to your right,
Okay.
and you look absolutely amazing. And
Thank
what
you.
about the scar? Any problems with the scar in the back, or do you even know where it is?
No problems at all. Really, it's undetectable. The only reason why I know it's there, obviously, is because I know. But to the naked eye, you really can't see it. I've been back there with the mirror looking for it myself, and a lot of times, I can't even find it. I have to really thoroughly search for it.
Well, I just want you to know I am not going anywhere. You're stuck with me forever. You have my personal cell number. If you ever need anything, all of my patients get my personal cell number, and I
Yes.
really want to be there for my patients, whether it's
Yes.
today or whether it's 10 years from now. And
Thank you.
it's been great seeing you. This 1 year anniversary is as good for me as I'm sure it's for you to see the hair, but for me to see the work, I'm so happy for you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much again. Again, to those people who are having those issues with their edges, I suggest you go ahead and do it. Book a consultation. The team was great. I had an amazing time. They were just so warm and comfortable. I had snacks and watched the movie, and I knew I was aware of the entire process. You are awake throughout the entire process. It was just wonderful.
It really
Very
is.
experience.
And again, I've had the procedure twice myself, so I think now we know it very well what to expect. And
Yeah.
again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I thank you so much for sharing your story with everybody, with the world. And if you have any questions, please call us here at Natural Transplants.
Yes, guys, give them a call. Thank you so much.
No, thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.